MOPAR fam, so as you can see, we're inside Betty. Got my buddy here with my laptop. We got HP tuners pulled up, and we're just gonna kind of go out, drive the car, and log it, and basically just get a log put together so we can send this to Flying Ryan, and have him check over the tune that is already currently in the car from previous tuners and or shops before I bought the car, and just have him check it over, make sure everything is, you know, in the safe zone and everything's good, and or I'm sure he can make it better because we all know he's the man. So here we go. All right, like I said, we're just going to do some just some normal driving. We might get into it just a little bit, but I really don't want to beat on this car too much until we have Ryan over at FRP check out everything, and more or less just make sure the tune, you know, isn't going to blow up this car if we beat on it. So better safe than sorry. Definitely don't feel like pulling the motor out of a new to me car.
No reds have popped up, so
definitely can be a little better, but
I guess we'll see higher RPM.
Yeah,
there's a few now. Yep, there's one.
There's a couple good bad cells there, it looks like already. I will say this thing sounds so gosh darn good. Reminds me of my Mustangs. Just has that real throaty.
Yeah. I mean, it's a good sounding exhaust on it.
For being straight piped, it's surprisingly ridiculously sounding good. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know if it's just the brand of these long tubes or the comp cam.
They say stainless works are one of the best.
It's just weird. Usually everything that gets straight piped is just
has some sort of clap
and raspy. But this sounds like a car that has mufflers on it. It really does to me. I think the most thing I like about this car is it just sounds so good to me.
Yep.
I just can't get over how good it freaking sounds. Guys, we'll do a small little pull right here, and we'll give that to FRP and see what's up. So here we go. She pulls damn good.
Yeah.
She pulls damn good. Old Betty got some pull to her. Old Betty got some pull. Any spark knot pop up on there that you can tell of?
I didn't see any. But also was watching the pressure gauge, see what it was going up to. And it went up to 25.8.
Yeah.
So now I'm really...
What's it reading right now on my foot? Just out of it, just crazy.
8.6 to 8.8.
8.6 to 8.8. That's, you're looking at which one?
The manifold absolute.
Yeah.
And like right now it's at 7.4.
So if I put my foot down, watch. That should be
25.8.
That should be full boost about instantly when I close it up.
Yeah, 25.8's been the max.
Yeah.
guess what the pressure is for the base.
Yeah. Well, scroll down to the bottom. It should be at the very bottom there. Now, give or take how they tuned it, and if they changed
14.3.
if they changed around some parameters and shit there, that might not be the proper way to see peak boost. Because I know, like on my truck, Ryan has went through the back door on the computer so much that we have to calculate my boost a different way.
Well, based off of the regular way we were doing it, whatever it reads minus the barrow, that's 11.5.
Yeah, I don't believe that. Not on this pulley, there's just no way. Because as far as I know, it's got a stock bottom pulley still, and I know the top pulley was a 3/4. I mean, it's cold out here today, but you're not gonna go from a 6-pound pulley and double that just because it's a cold day.
No, maybe like an extra 2 pounds or something.
So there you go, guys. That was a good little joyride in Betty today to get some logging with HP tuners to send out to FRP. So stay tuned out there. We got a lot coming for the car already. Like I said, we got an AFR gauge we got to get installed, the gauge pod, and a boost gauge we're going to put in. So those will be some of the next coming up videos here soon. Outside of that, start playing with it a little bit more and turning it up and just making it a better car. So stay safe out there. Hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below what you think about Betty, and we'll see you guys on the next one.